Not sure. Is he trying to play a bank? I don't really see a safety I like.
Wow, I honestly nearly called it. I thought it was too wide. What a shot from Mario Hay in the final.
That really does count for something. Beaming all over his face, and why not?
He does have a smile. Yeah, he might not have much options just to kind of dink this. Oh, wow, he's played the plant. Well, I didn't spot that one, Jeremy, I won't lie.
No, me either.
He's actually gone rail first to combo the 4 onto 9. Great shot there. Good vision.
If he shoots at it, he could make it. I think it's about 50-50.
Wow. 50-50 for Jason Shaw. Sometimes is 90-10. 1-9. Okay, 1 down and 3 to go. Rapid rack. Just what the Brits needed to get the crowd going as well. Lovely stuff. Don't write them off just yet.
Well, I think this one is justified, meaning the safety is just about as difficult. They don't have an extension.
No extension allowed.
Wow.
Nice shot.
What a mistake. Well, has he made it or not?
Yeah, he made it. Shot fired right at the timeline.
Well, I'd like to go to VAR. I'm not sure about that.
It's awfully close.
Yeah, that's definitely the part of the processing. The World Cup of Pool, but he's played a jump bank, so they're still at the table.
Yeah, the 9's not in the way at all, and it offered. Well, he's looking at the 7 in the side, and that looks like a dangerous shot to me. Oh, he's cutting the 7 in the side with draw, so he's trying to take an easier shot. But I think he's actually turning this into a tougher shot. Wow, what a great shot.
Thank you.
Perfect, almost perfect position.
He said thank you because there was no applause at all for what was perhaps
still, please, sir.
the shot of the contest.
So he's playing a jump bank, I believe. Not easy to keep balls on the table. What a shot from the young magician. Would you just look at that? He lands the cue ball on the 3 and banks it across side. Wonderful. Look at this for a shot. Look at this. Look at this for a shot. How do you like that, Malvin Ocean? What a shot.
Well, you've heard of Ocean's 11. That was Ocean's 10. 10 out of 10. Fantastic. What a shot that was. Put it on the highlight reel.
3. I know obviously he's going to try and get the cue ball back over, but there's no real gap. I'll tell you what. What a shot he's played here. He's been a little bit fortunate, but you deserve it. What a shot. Phil, bizarrely, he's playing the best at the moment.
Bizarre as a star. And I think that Kachi can get through to pot the red 3 ball. Remarkable. Couldn't have played that again if he tried.
Got to be careful he don't foul here, because when you're doing this sometimes they slip and all sorts can go on.
But he could hit the 5 thick, like you said. Wow, what a shot.
Fabio Petroni, get out of town. What a shot. Would you look at that? He couldn't have hit that better if he'd have stayed there all week.
Well, and he was playing a bit of a two-way shot with 2 bridges. Elevated, jumped the 7, banked the 5 in. Big shot here for Daniel. Oh, nice shot.
Foul. Cue ball off the table. Object ball off the table.
During the course of this week, but object ball as well. Look at that. All over the place.
Yeah, you don't need 110% out here, that's for sure.
Hitting downward somewhat. Oh, beautiful. He refused to roll that ball, punched it in nicely.
And how many shots like that have we seen missed in this competition? It was never in doubt when Wu lined that one up. Very, very missable shot. Dispatched with authority. And followed up there down the line by Dang. On the diagonal that Wojciech Szewczyk could have capitalized on. As it is, he'll now head for safety. And what about that? Now, how tight has he got that married up to the black? That's the key. If that is more or less welded, that is a superb shot. It's pretty good, whatever. Just how good? A little bit of air there between the two balls, but that is not a bad shot at all. He stepped up massively last time with that beautiful safety shot, and he's nailed that one effortlessly as well. Now, has he managed to give his partner position on the 7 as well? Well, that's not a bad effort again. This young man is pretty good.
Oh, what a pot from Daryl Peach. Just in time.
Yeah, and the crowd goes wild, and they should, because this was a lifesaver for Margit and Peach. Beautiful shot by Peach.
He's one of the best in the world at this.
There he is, jacking up with the jump stick. There it goes. There it goes. That's pool genius right there.
Now, look what the leave is, though. Very difficult shot on the 5, and this is just the guy you'd want at the table. He has zero fear of shots like this. They're going to take a crack at the 9 ball. Have to hit the object vault first, and after that, anything goes.
Nice carom, beautifully done. Big shot. Skylar Woodward basically Skylar Woodward saw this shot early, didn't he? Pointing the way, and Shane's going, okay, you see it, you take it. That was terrific from the younger man. No, it's not all about just being directed and told which way to go. Woodward, if it goes, surely 6-3 down, you've got to take it on. Oh,
what a shot. Now, after that terrific shot, that could be a game changer. Something that gets them back into this match.
Yeah, position the key here. Make sure of avoiding the foul as well. It should be okay. Oh,
man.
Come on. Where are these shots coming from?
Well, it didn't go in that corner, and he played it up there. That is amazing. Very hard to tell which corner. If it would... Wow. That is daring.
Yes, he did.
He did.
Oh, I wouldn't have the nerve to do this. So difficult to keep the cue ball on the table. Oh, hello. Unbelievable shot here by Albanesian. This surely to be in the top 3 of shots of the championship. Beautiful. He hit it as good as he could have. Beautiful.
Well, if you're wondering how he became a world champion, that's one of the answers right there. As you say, one of the great shots we've seen.
Oh.
Referee Brendan Moore is taking a very close look at this. He's really restricted the cueing action there, but he's made it look really easy. What a shot.
Oh man, what a shot that was. Shot of the championship for me thus far. Championship is young, only day 1, the 4th match. But he hit that splendid.
for effectively losing control of the table.
This is an interesting shot. You know, you can see the green 6 is right over the pocket, so perhaps they're going to try to make that. Less like that.
Oh, you called it. And look what he's going to get off the back end of it as well. A perfect roll up from the 4 as well. That was a beauty of a shot from Wojciech Szewczyk.
Highlight reel.
Yeah, really. Well, already we've seen an indication of the quality that the Poles can bring to the table. That really was a gem.